Let's now take some of the fruit wrapping foam and then just tie up with the help of the rubber band, and then we are going to make some of the imprints on the white sheet of the paper as shown on your screens. Now we are adding some of the different shades and see how beautiful we are going to create these trees with the help of the earbuds. We are making the trunk of these trees. This is very easy painting. Difficulty level for this one is somewhat medium, and this type of the activities are best suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12. For this you need some of the highlighters, or we can say the sketch pens, and see how we are just mingling the different shades of the colors. For this you have to just divide the page into the two sections, and from the left we are just painting the mustard yellow, and from the right the purple, blue and the pink one. In at the bottom we are just filling it with the black color. See, then at the center we are going to trace down the trunk of a beautiful tree. For tracing down this tree, all you need is a black marker. This painting is very simple and it's very easy. You can just give it a try. It's very less time consuming, and at the end it looks so beautiful and it looks so difficult, but in actual it's not that much of the difficult. You need to do some of the practice so that you can draw it anywhere, anytime, and you can just experiment it with some different colors in the background. We have here used these colors. You can use any other color of your own choice. Don't forget to trace down some of the birds in the background. We are making use of the white fluid to fill the dots. This type of the painting is very unique. For this you may require the polythene bag, then you have to tie a knot. After that, see how the air will be tied inside it. Then you have to just dip it in some of the colors, and then you have to make the imprints as apparent on your screen. See how beautiful looks these flowers and pretty these are. Then at the center we are making the nectar with the help of the earbuds.